all the students, parents, and teachers are welcome in this video. In the today's video, we are going to discuss all the solutions of bridge course Setu Abhyas standard 10th test number 2 of science 2. Friends, we had already uploaded the test number 2 of science 1. Do not forget to watch that video. So let's start our test number 2 of subject science 2. The question 1 is solve the following questions. Friends, in question 1 you have to solve any 5 questions of the questions given below. Let's see the first question. What is the central nervous system made of? The central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord. Second, what is a biogeochemical cycle? The cyclic flow of nutrients within an ecosystem is called biogeochemical cycle. Third question is write correlation. Producer autotroph, then predator heterotroph is the correct answer. The fourth question is write the name of the plant in the picture and tell what kind of movement takes place in these plants. Friends, the name of the plant is touch me not, which is also called as mimosa, and the movement in this plant is nastic movement. Let's see the fifth question. Take the odd term out. Estrogen, insulin, pancreas, oxytocin. The odd term is pancreas. Let's see. Sixth question. Complete the diagram of the types of nerve cells given below. First, sensory neurons. Second is motor neurons. And the third one is association neurons. These three are the types of nerve cells. The seventh question is define carbon cycle. The circulation and recycling of carbon from the atmosphere to living organisms and after their death back to the atmosphere is called the carbon cycle. Friends, you can write the answer of this question. Let's see question number 2. Write the answers of the following questions. Friends, in the question 2, you have to write any 5 questions as it was in question 1. The first question is differentiate between gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. Friends, the answer of this question you have to write in the form of table. First, the gaseous cycle is found in the Earth's atmosphere, and the sedimentary cycle is found in soil sediment and sedimentary rocks of the Earth. Second, gaseous cycle includes nitrogen, carbon, oxygen and water vapor cycles, and sedimentary cycle includes soil components like iron, calcium and phosphorus. Let's see question 2. Write whether the following statements are correct or incorrect. A. Endocrine glands are also called ductless gland. Friends, the statement is correct. B. Plants have nervous systems. This statement is incorrect. Let us see question 3. Look at the diagram given below and answers the questions following. In the diagram, they had given us a brain, spinal cord, and vertebral column, which is also known as backbone. Let's see the answers of this question. Question A. Name the given diagram. The name of the diagram is brain and spinal cord. And B. Where is the spinal cord located? The spinal cord is located in the vertebral column or backbone. Let's see question 4. Complete the table given below. In the table, they had given us gland and we had to write hormones. The first one, gland, is parathyroid. The hormone in this parathyroid is parathormone. The second gland they had given us is ovary, and the hormones in it are estrogen and progesterone. We have to write both of the hormones. Let's see question 5. Write the scientific reason. Energy flow through an ecosystem is one way. Sun is the answer is 1. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. 2. In all ecosystems, producers, that are green plants, store the solar energy in the form of food. 3. This energy is passed on from one trophic level to the other trophic level. 4. Owing to decomposition, some part of this energy is released in the form of heat. 5. However, no part of energy returns to the sun. Therefore, energy flow through an ecosystem is one way. Question 7. Question 6. Write examples of two reflex actions which you have experienced. Answer 1. When I put hand on the needle, I suddenly remove my hand. And 2. I suddenly withdraw my hands or legs when they touch the silencer of bike. Friends, you can write this answer. Let us see the last question. Fill in the blanks in the figure given below. In the figure, they had given us trophic levels, which are omnivorous, carnivorous, herbivorous, and all producers in the ecosystem, which are also known as plants. Let's write the answer in the given boxes. All producers in the ecosystem, plants, are producers, and carnivorous comes in second tropical level. Friends, the solution videos of every Setu question paper of 10th is uploaded on our channel Vicharvel. So, do not forget to subscribe our channel for fast updates, like and share our video. Videos of all tests are uploaded on our channel. Do not forget to watch them.